Welcome to the Wood Creek Vacation Awards. My name is Eduardo. One lucky participant will get a free trip to Wood Creek. And the winning numbers are 3, 6, 1, 2, 0.5. Congrats, Marley. You have just earned a trip to Wood Creek. Don't jump in the water, but have fun. Congrats.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, Captain. We are fully ready for start. We'll be taking over to the southwesterly run of the Atlanta and climbing to 13,000 feet. Expecting good weather conditions en route. Flying time will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. And the latest Athens weather, temperature is now 26 degrees. It's meant to go up to 34 today with clear skies and light winds. I would like to thank you for having us today and enjoy the flight with us.